Hey guys, Jeremy here from SkipperBud's, Bay City, Michigan. Today we have a 2023 Bayliner 2250DX. This boat is in the Bayliner blue with the gray interior. Also comes equipped with the tower, bimini top. This is powered by a 250 horse Mercury inboard outboard. This boat we just took in on trade. It's only got little hours on it. It's got the reverse lounger here in the back. Quick wash down station for your hands. Cockpit table. Lounger here, which couples as a second captain seat. This has the touchscreen Simrad. Nice thing about the 2250 is it comes with the head. Very nice feature, especially if you have ladies on board. All the bow filler cushions in the front. And those can come in and out as you see fit for however many people you want to get on the boat. This boat has a capacity of 11 people. It's got the booster captain seat. But this is a great used boat if you don't want to spend all the money on a brand new. This is about as good as it gets. Again, this is at SkipperBud's Bay City. Come see it today.